Let's get to the point. Sa cafe pa pala mahanap ang masarap na sisig. And it's from a new cafe named Sunflower Cafe sa equally new UP Shopping Center in Quezon City, which is nasa loob ng UP Diliman. And may unique patis latte din sila. And I tried a total of 7 items. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my order. By the way, mabait and magaling ang staff ng Sunflower Cafe. The 6 items I tasted were number 1, pulled chicken adobo rice meal, 320 pesos. Meron din siyang free Americano if you order a breakfast meal before 11 a.m. This was okay in quality pero I found the pulled chicken too quiet ang flavors. I also wish the pulled meat was closer to the American version na mas wet with sauce sana. Because I found the meat too dry pero soft naman. Pero difference of preference lang talaga. Number 2, the included hot Americano was delicious. The brewed coffee had a subtle chocolate aspect to it. Number 3, sizzling sisig cooked 2 ways, 310 pesos. I forgot kung bakit cooked 2 ways ito pero absolutely delicious ito for me. Nasa maliit lang na sizzling pan ito. Pero in fairness kahit maliit siya, nagkasya siya sa 2 tao. Pag masarap ang food, I realized, kahit konting ulam lang kunin mo, marami kang rice na makakain. This had the right spiciness, the right wetness from the sauce, and I can still taste the crispiness of some of the sisig pieces. Number 4, extra rice, 50 pesos, okay naman. Number 5, patis caramel latte, 200 pesos. This was a delicious and well-made latte. Sa first half, it tasted just like a normal latte, and hindi ko masyado natitaste yung patis. Pero sa last half of sipping it, mas nalalasahan ko na ang subtle patis flavor in a good way. Best talaga to stir it and stir it often kasi most of the patis caramel flavor ay nasa ilalim. Number 6, sinigang potato chips, 140 pesos. Sayang na overcook nila ito, pero unique ang concept. I can taste the asim in a delicious way. It comes with mayo on the side na I hope they explore a patis flavored dip instead, para lang mas ma-emphasize ang sinigang concept. And number 7, ube cake. I need to be honest, free item ito. Siguro dahil soft opening sila, they surprised our table with a free ube cake slice. This was a bit sweet for me, pero na-balance naman ng ube flavor na thankfully nalalasahan ko. I love the food of Sunflower Cafe and I love their place also. I especially love this specific shade of green na ito sa walls nila, na bumagay sa Japanese wooden aesthetic ng cafe. May few times lang na pumasok sa dining area ang smoke from the cooking, pero nawala naman agad and naging honest naman ng team about it. And don't worry, meron naman silang plans to resolve it. Overall, despite some of my comments, I can really see and taste the good quality, the skill, and good intention ng food and drinks ng Sunflower Cafe. So much so that I want to visit them again and try other items.